I was saying now, yeah, Christopher, young kind crana 80% living in Ghana, and I hear Christopher, I Ghana memoirs and a Bible nature say, Edu baby, yenya the prodigal son, prodigal son, you be a nini brady kakra, or my papa, a change up a dear mujani dear, or the cowe ma, a yen your percushibra, and a boy, you do babino, or Sansibe Fini papa, edgino. Mamma Quaba, and far and bra attention TV, so, when Mr. Wadrimu, a Yakakanina, a Manasi, na, and never also been pa, and Semba community abatuja wochi machese e kamia kwese say ni report manase ni na achi no wanya ba bia amfanko wanko club wanko awi fom da bi asore dem ana kopie na ese wache ne bone e de atomu de ne nyankopon ana ye da na se rebe no so bempa e de nsem ebre e keka ho e de to Ghana phone na enim yenko na yenko ti rebe no so bempa embra
evidences to prove, and I've done a lot of investigation to prove it, but not be today. So, based on what I have here, based on conversations, based on from Attorney General Office and the one of the government personnel, based on some police, even the CID boss will even say, wow, on this case. Yengina who case ya a course. One also for Appiah Biblical case. Equire, die. And get me baby you. Messages ya Appiah eya breme. Eka se memuano na me fana sam Tvgh. Emma abaimum panyinfo audios and the videos is there. Sabi there were differences, but the person need justice. Let's say, did the justice end well, or BB akoso background? Eti justice end to me anya ejuma. It's a question. And then I have 3 questions to ask Appiah Biblical. I have questions. And Ghana for good social media, no. I thank God to say, you people, you are so muye nkofua asamba mubusa questions. And I'm say and get platform where I'm used to ye. Well, Appiah Biblical case kurano. Minya kasetia etia amain penny fuoni bi. Because I was a little bit upset. And then there was a question about from Attorney General Office last night, question me that this issue was a public issue, yes or no? Me say yes. Are you not the same person making noise on this issue? I say yes. This issue of Appiah Biblical engege semi pomensa ewomua. Appiah have the right to sue me. Na me babe yimano. Oweni awawene. Wanweni. Yesi ya chenkofo ako court. Ye jeli womu. Enkofo ayama judgment. Judge. Minim emsaje se Appiah Biblical. Now, and Penfone is asking which judge no di Appiah case. That was the question number 1. I couldn't answer last night. Now they are asking me which court I even answer. Because sometimes to come a point here, case we no Kingsley asking the same question and it turning into something else. So I decided to mind my own business on some certain things. They asked me a lot of questions last night because I met somebody who was sitting one table, UK here, with Attorney General, TMA. I met somebody who was sitting one table, who even was following Attorney General last week on UK here. So they asked me a lot of questions, which I couldn't even answer. Though I am not saying engage Attorney General and I'm Attorney General ni pebia kasa Attorney General kasa. Debi muntie. Yedi will be called court. Then the panisi or you guilty. Court to the boss say on kwa. Yengi na nim sa chatawale die. Prison car eba besiwo. Yengi na nim grabbing polo die. Yedi be court wa prison cars besiwo. Yedi wobi e jeli wobi a yede ne tena prison car mu ana police car over yechi na yede woko. What busa won't say, and I'm even still asking this question until Samakonya made me answer from wherever I trusted to get my answers. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense to you. It doesn't make sense to the government some of the government appointees. Even it doesn't make sense. Yesterday, the CID boss, it doesn't make sense to him. Because this is the public issue. Assembly see public. You use National Security Service. You use National Security Boss. The National Security Boss are always fighting National Security Boss with this. I nearly insult this man for this case. So, they are still asking me questions. But I am here to ask Appiah Biblical question. Before it's too late. Before it's too late for him. For his own good. For whoever behind all this. Say ya no kurese asemno. Omujitum wa court. Yencha court ama. Omujitum ya hunu videos. Judgment ba ya me pacho ya hunu baby ya post to judgment. Ye read judgment no na chire. We don't know what is what. Na say ye jelly obi. Ni asi ya fani konkotum. It take how many minutes to do a COVID test? Did you ask yourself? I even asked myself. I even made a caption to that question. Na say, Uba catcher me say judge, say CID ni bi, and a police a bi, judge a masi fa obi ko jail. A ye ten and crofo no, omoda sugu a ye ministries. Ministries a yan sawam prison. Ministries a yan sawam. Say, judge, a dia boss say ma jeli obia. Enye ministries ni adi omugu. I told you guys, yes, there is a lot of things I will tell you people later based on some conversation. Any commodity be a cost baby. And I am ready to face whoever will come out and challenge me. I am ready to prove every single truth on this matter to whoever will come and face me. Because I'm not going to sit here for people to blame the government anymore. We want the Lord to work. But when we force the Lord trying to work, we become the problem. I am not going to sit here for any Ghanaian to blame the government or to blame the judicial service, to blame MDs and CID boss. TMA. The question somebody asked me, say many Freddy, yet to me do be called to me and clatter binya.
Wherever also been panning and a yete at the by ya will upload manasi much say Bible no cracker says so would you tums why am from swa jutum permuka na children ponyakopo efa ento sa ana manasi aya ene anam so ma webe no so bempa upload no e wo obibia enim any social media so ha ana ne yedem ebesi attention TV we inspire you more yaha.